Yes.
Now, we are here on behalf of ourselves as leaders in Azimio, but also on behalf of our principal, Raila Amolo Odinga, who is out of the country and who has been in touch with both Kioni as the Secretary General of Jubilee and ourselves on this issue. I have seen the order from the Political Parties Tribunal, which clearly sets aside or quashes the letter of the registrar that was purporting to give a faction power over these offices. It means that the status quo that was there before, that Jeremiah Kioni is the bona fide Secretary General, it also means that those others, if they have any issue, they should use the Jubilee internal dispute resolution mechanism. Coming with a battalion, a full battalion of police. I'm calling it a battalion because hundreds is like a battalion of police. Coming with police to take over the offices forcefully is not only disobedience of the court order, it's a breach of the law. I do not know whether the police had been shown the court order, but I am told they were shown. And this is not about the police. This is a fight between Kenya Kwanza and the Azimio coalition. Yes. Kenya Kwanza is trying to forcefully take over an affiliate party of Azimio using rebel members of this party Jubilee. At a time, they are lying to Kenyans that they have good faith in whatever negotiations were to be between Kenya Kwanza and Azimio. This is a direct attack on multipartism. It's a direct attack and a declaration of war on Azimio. It is an expression of bad faith, and I do not think that anybody serious would discuss with somebody who desecrates their foundation. Because one of the rules in talks is that you respect each other. You do not violate each other. This is the highest expression of bad faith and a clear indication that Kenya Kwanza is not interested in bona fide negotiation. We as Azimio will stand by our affiliate Jubilee. We will do whatever is within our powers to ensure that they stay safe and from any hostile takeover. I want to urge the police to show their independence. Kome and Bungei, this is your chance to show that police are independent. If you are not aware of the court order, today you are. Keep law and order not only on these premises, but stop allowing hooligans to come and disturb the peace of the neighborhood. This is a residential estate where people are living. These people pay your salaries through their taxes. Stop letting them down and bringing fracas. This is the second time. We hope it will be the last. I do not want to go more. I'm very upset by this act, and I want my brother, Kalonzo Musyoka, to
Thank you.
add.
Thank you, Mother. Oops.
Sorry.